Welcome back. Well, in a first, Chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, Nitin Gupta, talks to CNBC-TV18's Timsi Jaipuria, shares the future plans of taxation policy, whether taxpayers' burden can be reduced or not. Listen in to the conversation.
Right now, against the budget target of 14.20 lakh crore, we have achieved collection of more than 4,75,000 crore, which is at the growth of around 33%. The gross collections are still better, with a growth of around 38 to 39%. In spite of more refund outgo, which we want that should be enhanced, the collections are very robust at the and going at the rate of around 33%.
So when we talk of the collections, they are also healthy on the back of a lower base that way we were seeing because of COVID. And now that the sector, all the industry is reviving, if you can break the data when it comes to corporate tax collections, sir, where are we on corporate tax collections?
Corporate tax as well as personal income tax, on both the side, the collections are robust. And I think the actual picture would emerge once we get the second installment of advance tax in the month of September. So a better analysis can be made around 20th of September once we get the figures for the second installment.
So when we talk of future of taxation, because that is something that impacts and touches every taxpayer, and everyone wants to hear from the government, from you per se, who's the head of the department, as to what could be future of taxation. How would their tax issues or tax problems get eased in the near future?
We have been working on it, that the taxpayer is given convenience, and that has been the real objective for all the actions which we are taking. In the recent past, in the Finance Act 22, the government has come out with a new scheme called e-verification scheme. This scheme is meant for the taxpayers who have not disclosed their correct state of affairs, their income or the inter se head of income which affects the rate of taxation or any other issue, based upon the data which is being disclosed by us to the taxpayer in AIS. So to cover that sort of anomaly, if any taxpayer is facing, this e-verification scheme has been introduced, and it will be made operational very soon. The taxpayer who is looking at his AIS data, and if he finds that for the last 2 assessment years he has committed any mistake in the reporting of income, because the taxpayer could be in this view that the department is not aware of the true investments made by the taxpayer or the transactions undertaken, then in that event the assessee can file an updated return. Firstly, he can put his correct view at the compliance portal in case there is any anomaly between the data which is projected to the taxpayer and which is the right data. So if there is any anomaly, the taxpayer is welcome to put his viewpoint on the portal itself, and then it will be put to verification.
Okay, so that's an exclusive with the CBDT chairman. Catch excerpts of that exclusive conversation all day today, only on CNBC TV 18.